Blessed morning, blessed morning, blessed morning. So, I don't know. It's not looking like a trade today, to be honest. No. Shh. I see a 4-hour demand down here on EU. Then the previous daily low is still intact, so definitely looking forward to sweep that. And then we have like an imbalance up here on the 1 hour, but it's still looking messy. It's still consolidating on EU and GU. It's just all around just ugly price action, so it ain't looking like a trade. But y'all welcome to still rock with me and just watch me analyze. I'll analyze anything y'all want me to analyze too. GU looks even ugly. GU's just been awful for January. Even though we have hit some good trades in here. Of course, scalping and intraday trades, but nothing definitely should not be swinging. But if GU gets down here, I'm stacking this buy. Like I'm putting a lot of positions on at this buy just because of all the confirmations that I have. But I mean, we're in this 1 hour OB right now, but I don't think this will hold up. I definitely think we will maybe get like a little push up, maybe break a structure and then retest and then knock out that low. And then maybe like a bounce up here and go into Asian maybe. And then London, may get that London kill zone and then continue down. Possibly, you know. You never really know. But that would be my analysis for GU. You can talk, but anything you say probably may get heard. Especially if you're over here. Let's take a look at gold. My goodness. When gold moves, it moves. But yeah, like I said, it has these highs up here. And gold should be going up. I mean, if there's inflation and there's always going to be inflation, gold's going to always go up. Just because it's the hedge. People hedge into gold for security purposes when inflation goes up. Meaning the dollar is getting weaker. And vice versa, that when the dollar gets stronger, people are more reluctant to take their money out of gold. Got no news today. Yeah, this shit definitely ain't happening. got CPI though. Tuesday definitely might be getting a move Tuesday. We got ADP, now farm payroll Wednesday. Got FOMC. We probably gonna consolidate Monday, to be honest, looking at the news. And Tuesday and Wednesday, we're really gonna make moves. Shit, it looking like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So yeah, Monday probably gonna be a slower day. Climbing. And we're gonna get something right here. I don't know what kind of reaction we're gonna get right here, but we're gonna get something. Could be big enough reaction to keep going down, or it could be just a reaction to get a little pop, breakthrough, keep going. But we'll see. Better to be reactive than predictive. We do got a nice little. If we can get a little retracement, we did. I like this 4 hour engulfing candle right here. So if we can get a nice little retracement back into that, we might have a little trade. But we'll see. We still got about 2 hours of trading time. So change the color on this. Yeah, we might get some. I need to delete this. I ain't holding. I don't know. I really don't like how it looks like in the 1 hour. Very messy. Nothing solid. Do got a little bit of imbalances here on the 5 minute, but I'm not, if it doesn't match in the 1 hour, I'm not gonna make a 5 minute confluence if it doesn't match in the 1 hour. this alert right here, and then let me put alert. Let me just put alert on this line. Bam. And yeah, this is even more reason for a pop, but I would not hold this long. This would definitely be a scalp. 16, yep, it's under 20 pips, so meets my risk requirement. So 1-to-1, just 20 or 16 pips exactly in the opposite direction. 1-to-1, and I would definitely I'd do something at a 1-to-1 off of this position, just because I'm just looking for a quick pop, because it's a counter trend trade. But we do have that sweep of the daily low down there, so it's a confluence. 1 hour time frame imbalance, and that 1 hour institutional candle, so might get a little something. It's 4 hour OB, but really in the 1 hour OB too, but that's definitely getting took out. Just looking at it. Definitely retail trend. Definitely retail liquidity in this form of this trend line right here. So I definitely see that getting clippity clapped. Still may get a push down here, and if we do the push down there, this will confirm the EU buy, but I'm expecting the EU to sweep its previous daily low and then go. Other than that, that's all I got. Y'all got any questions? Y'all can ask them. Other than that, it might be a short stream today, and I just might send it out. Send it out in the chat. Yeah, this shit ain't. But it's looking like a hell of a week though. Especially come Tuesday, really Tuesday through Friday. Let me filter this. It's just the red folders. Yeah, Tuesday through Friday. And majority of this, I say 90% of this is USD and GBP. Brings a lot of volatility. I wonder if non-farm payroll is going to give us that volatility that we usually see, that we used to see. I remember when I first got into trading like 3 years ago, and non-farm payroll used to wreck the market, but it really don't be causing too much ruckus anymore. You might see a little bit, but not that much. The monetary policies and the GDP meetings, now that'd really be moving the market lately. We shall see. We shall see. You know what I'm saying? Even so, once it gets into this 4-hour demand, I mean, this is a significant 4-hour demand because this is just looking at straight structure, just swing highs and swing lows. This is the absolute low on a 4-hour area of straight bullishness. So we will see a pop. I don't know if it's gonna be the pop that's bring us back to bullish, but we will see the pop. And my strategy will take advantage of that. But yeah, so just drawing the swing high, swing low with the Fibonacci. And we in severe discount. So I'll be looking to see a pop. It's crazy how this Fibonacci works. Look at the pops around the 0.5, then the 618. And then if I had to guess, it's probably like the 7. Let's actually turn it on to see. Now saying actually, let me just disconnect it. I don't know if that's going to happen. Beautiful. 0.78. It's crazy how that works. Even more confirmation. Let me take that off because I do not like. That is just too messy for me. But yeah. Let me actually see. Let me actually see how. Nah. Oh, hell no. Oh hell no, that's 33 pips. I was going to just put a buy limit, but fuck that. Basketball.
I got a lighter in these pants and put it on the table. I got a lighter in these pants and put it on the table. Red and white.
Oh, I was looking for that light. Getting that break of that previous daily low. We should see a pop. But I am not just gonna buy off of this. I need more confirmation, especially on the one. If we get like a 1 hour engulfing, that'd be pretty good confirmation, but I would still put us at, you would have to buy that candle at 11. And the volatility definitely starts to go down around 12, so it's best to wait till Tuesday for a higher probability setup. But like I said, I do think we'll get a pop right here. GU, I am inclined to just buy this because it's below 20 pips, but I'm not looking to go more than that. Might either take all profit at a 1-to-1 or definitely reducing risk at a 1-to-1 on this type of trade right here. Not an A+ setup, more like a C+B setup. So definitely lower risk. I do think it's worth it for 1-to-1. Go ahead, calculate that. What is that? So I can be ready to go if it hits within my time frame. I'm risking 0.25%. 0.25% on this trade. 16.4. It's 38.38 lots for me. And we'll just wait. Using a nice little demand. I mean EU, my fault. Dollar is in a 4-hour demand, but it looks like it's about to sweep. I really like it to come to this 4-hour supply or order block, or all same shit, different day. You know what I really fucking love right now is a fucking feel me?
You want me to leave while you go to the gym? Or when you go to the gym? Not while you go to the gym.
You ain't gonna go to the gym with me? Oh yeah, you don't got shoes.
I was supposed to say, can.
You're not bringing no shoes.
Why would I bring shoes?
Because
I wasn't even gonna.
it's tennis shoes.
I wasn't even gonna see while I was here.
Okay, that don't got nothing to do with bringing shoes.
Listen, I had drove down here.
Don't get too personal.
Too personal.
Don't get too personal.
What are you talking about?
There's other people listening, so don't get too personal.
People can hear me.
They may. I don't know. I'll watch it back and see if they can. But it's definitely going up, you know.
I drove down here Friday morning. Okay. To go to these interviews. And then I was gonna leave. Right back out.
And what happened?
Nothing.
That still don't got nothing to do with bringing tennis shoes. If you
Why?
are, if you are on this whole workout vibe this year, on into the rest of your life, you always have to bring a pair of tennis shoes. You never know what's gonna pop up. What if you was down here and just be like, hey, just going on a hiking trip real quick, and you can't go because you don't got no shoes?
Well, I wasn't anticipating doing that. I was just going to leave.
Expect the unexpected.
Leave me alone.
And then you would have been shit out of luck.
I would have been shut up. There's always next time, like you told me, right?
There is always next time, but what if it was just spontaneous? And then
Well,
all
I
the
think
right
it's
people was
spontaneous.
in town, and
Fuck
I was
right
like,
people.
hey, we about to go to fucking Blue Ridge. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. The cabin's already handled. You know what I'm saying? Just come. But you don't got no shoes.
Oh my god. Then I would go buy some shoes.
We'll go buy some shoes then.
No. I don't want to go to the gym.
Why not?
You're too intense for me and you're mean.
That is false.
You are mean.
What'd I do?
I don't have to be mean.
Tell me.
No. And why did you give me an ounce of coffee? I thought I was gonna have a full cup of coffee.
That's all that was in there. You are more than welcome to make you some more. Or you can just talk to me about making you some more. But I think the first one will get you more in the direction you want to go. The choice is yours, though.
You can make me some coffee.
But it's an espresso. It's not meant to be.
I drink it as if it's just regular coffee.
Okay, well, go ahead and do your thing. Ain't nobody stopping you.
You wanna go to the aquarium?
No, I want to go to the gym.
You can't. You wanna go to the aquarium after that?
No, I want to go to the gym.
And then what?
And I want to study SQL. I want to study Tableau. And I want to look more into Toastmasters. And I want to look. I need to talk to the publishing company. I'm work to Kindle for this ebook for a cover. I don't want to go to the fucking aquarium. Too much shit in my head. gonna get a trainer? You definitely need a trainer.
Yes, but I would like to get one in Atlanta. I don't want a virtual one.
But you're gonna need to advance from that.
No, I know. I'm saying, if you let me finish my sentence, I want.
You stopped. You stopped talking.
No, I didn't.
It did, and I'm supposed to interject because if let me just say this. Let me just say this. But no, you usually just keep rambling on and on, so I have to like interject into what you said. So if I see a little pause, I'm gonna take it. But go ahead.
Well, I want to stick with what you showed me and do cardio while I'm in hopping gear. And then when I get here or when I have off, I know when I'm coming, I want to go ahead and set up everything for the trainer. And go to, if they're at a facility or if they have me go somewhere in particular or whatever. But I do better with in-person training.
I think everybody does. I feel it. Well, that is no more. Go ahead and delete this.
I should probably
I don't even know what to say to that. You should make me some more too.
Oh.
I know you don't know how. That's probably what stopped you from making it. All you gotta do is be like,
Don't tell me.
hey,
Don't tell me.
you wanna, could you please show me? But no, you're too,
Prideful?
yeah, you're way too, you got the pride of I don't even want to say the race.
Oh.
Yo, what's good, Victor? How you living? But not the race. I meant the gender. Well, everybody probably already knows you're a female, but yeah, you got the pride of a man.
Well,
Miss Independent. What you got today, Victor? What you looking at? I don't think I got his on GU, but this is don't even mind this. I'm really looking just for a window right here. Quick pop. It's about to get taken out. I think that's the daily high. Is that the daily? Yep, that's the daily high. It's getting ran. And for those who don't know, I personally just use my daily highs and lows as magnets. So I just use them as liquidity. So 9 times out of 10, and this is easily back tested, you just see each candle, the previous daily high or low will get taken out. So I just use that as a magnet and anticipate that liquidity is going to be below or under there. And in order for the markets to move, they need liquidity. So we'll always sweep either the daily high, low, and then give a reaction the opposite way. Sometime, or I'll just continue to keep going. But that's what the lower time frames are used for, to kind of get a directional bias on which one it's going to target first. And that's essentially how I look at the market. And then I just use supply and demand zones or order blocks as reactionary zones, and then create some kind of breaking structure or WM on the 5-minute. And yeah, that's my strategy in a nutshell. Simpler the better. You got going on? Gold, I'll move. Yeah, I don't know. Gold, I'm not too inclined to buy right now, but this does look like a really good area to buy in. I just don't like buying on gold, but it has what it needs. Let me actually make this gray to so I get confused. Like that's not a 4 hour, but I color coordinate my zones, but yeah, we shall see. Let me just put alert right here. Oh yes, yes of course. I can help you. Sure, man. What do you see on EU? Use bottom. What do I see on EU? So I see. Well, first of all, let me just show weekly structure. Here. That's a pivotal point for me because it's the last. I think we're gonna get a pop here, but I don't know if it's gonna be the pop to bring us all the way back up or down. Honestly, don't know. So and then we got just 2 days or 2 weeks. Previous weeks it's just straight bearishness. So I'm going to see how it reacts at this 4 hour. Demand, because this is the last swing low before we really started breaking structure. I do think we'll get some kind of pop here, some kind of reaction, but I don't know, especially how it's moving now, if this is going to be the reaction to bring us back up. I think we'll get a quick pop, maybe, and maybe honestly continue, but we'll see. But as far as right now, I don't have a trade on it. And then as we see the dollar is still pushing up. I think the dollar its supply zone is all the way up here, so it may honestly come down a little bit further, like break this, maybe wick below and get some kind of foundation. I don't think it'll close below this demand, but I think it may wick below probably, and then get a little bounce and then maybe continue down. But it all really depends on how we react right here. Is my directional on EU, but we shall see. Because I mean, even though we do have 2 past weeks of previous bearishness on the weekly candle, this is the last swing low before it goes up. So we'll see. But yeah, that's what I'm looking on EU. But we got a lot of news. Like, let me bring this over here so y'all can see. So this is the news. I mean, we got everything this week. We got CPI, we got non-farm payroll, we got GDP, we got FOMC. You know what I'm saying? So things are gonna move. Things are gonna move. We even got the federal funds rate. So I mean, and this is all this week. This is Tuesday through Friday. So we may not get too much movement just because of the volatility that's probably supposed to happen the rest of the week. So I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, man, crazy. But I mean, I filtered it though. I filtered it to all those folders. But I'm willing to take this GU trade. I'm willing to take it. If I was on my personal, I wouldn't. But on the funded challenge, I'm more risky. Thank you. That's a buy limit, or will you take it manually in case reach that zone? Yeah, I'm gonna take this. If it hits by 11, I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Just because this is the previous daily low. And I already know it's a lot of liquidity resting below there. And this, if you zoom out, this is a bigger 4-hour demand. And then we got the 1 hour right here, imbalance right there. But I'm not looking to take this all the way up here. I keep stretching it like that just to make it look good, but I'm really looking for a 1-to-1 right here. Especially if it happens later. I might just take all profit at a 1-to-1, quick scalp. Looking just to go 16 pips in the opposite direction. Because I'm definitely right now I'm bearish minded. At least until GU gets down here, and then we also had $1. I'm looking for that to keep pushing up a little bit more too. But we're in a big zone right now, on weeklies, because this is the last swing low on weekly structure, strong structure. I'll swing high, rather I said, before we kept going lower. So I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But since that is that way, I definitely think we'll get a pop. Like I said, I just don't know if this is gonna be the pop to keep us. I don't know how far we'll go down after this pop, but I definitely think we'll get some kind of reaction here. Whether it's here, or here, we'll be playing the short term there, though, at least. for structural purposes. So, like I say, I'd rather be reactive than predictive. But to answer your question, I'm a market execute, but it is a limit. It can be a limit. But I'm on my challenge. If it was my personal, I probably wouldn't take it. Just because it's essentially catching a falling knife. But challenges, you gotta kind of be just a little bit. You gotta be more willing to risk in my preference. Just remove it from the heat. Gold. What's the coffee?
What?
Sound like that. You gotta wait for all of it to come to the top. I'm surprised you never used those, especially all those years in. Yeah.
I used drip coffee maker, but I never used. I've seen them.
would be nice if it could come up with here, but I'm just trying to debate if I want to take all if it's either all or 80%. Either all or 80% that I'm going to take. Risking 0.25%. We shall see. Well, thank you. Break the previous daily low. Let's see. $2 at. $1 still in no man's land. $1 still very much bullish. Dollar being bullish. Have liquidity below here. Also have a more clear order block below here. You know, it's it's of incentive to go lower. That is why this is a low risk trade. So my stop loss is essentially liquidity, but with me knowing that, that is why I'm risking lower risk. Sorry, where did you see all those news for today? There's no news. That wasn't today. That was Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's what I was saying earlier in the stream, that we probably ain't gonna have a trade or too much volatility today because a lot of it's later in the week. But no, that was Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, the market see. Feel nothing Monday, just Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No. I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream if you ain't got no other questions concerns, comments, anything you want me to look at. We're still waiting on this GU trade, but we'll see. Give it some more time. We'll wait on it. But not the highest probability setup, like average setup, 1-to-1. Definitely not looking to hold longer. Reasons behind it, again, just liquidity right below. Bigger time frame order block right below. Dollar still has a lot of room to go up. So yeah, if not, I will see y'all tomorrow. Same time, same place.